guys, my name is Dave and welcome to Dave Bachchan Plays. Guys, today we are going to do our first unboxing. Yay! So guys, let's do our first unboxing. But before that, please like this video and subscribe our channel, and there's a notification bell. Press it to all. So guys, let's do our unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A70. So let's do it, guys. So guys, here is my Samsung Galaxy A70, and let's do the unboxing of this. So guys, this is our Samsung Galaxy A70. Look at this, guys. It is looking so cool. So guys, this has 64 megapixel camera, and at the front camera to take selfies, it is 32 megapixel camera. So guys, let's do it. Here is our phone. So guys, with this phone we have so many things, like this charger, this socket, yeah, and this is our phone. Okay, so we have to do it from here. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is our Samsung Galaxy, and with this we have a cover also. So it is right over here. Okay, so no scratches, and it is right over here, guys. First I'll open it, and this is a transparent thing. Warning is here. So guys, here is our thing, and we have to do it like this. So there are three cameras over here, three cameras, and there are more things like this Samsung socket, and this is a surprising thing because there is a earphone. So guys, this earphone is looking good, but I am not going to open it. And here is our charger. So this is looking absolutely great, and this is our phone. So let's open it. I hope it is charged. Yeah. So guys, I opened it, and really absolutely great. Oh my goodness, Samsung. So guys, this is because we had Samsung Galaxy E7 and it was good, and now we are getting a Samsung Galaxy A70. So this is really absolutely great. And starting Android, let's go. So guys, I'm going to do all the setups, and I'll meet you. So guys, the setup was because it's a new phone, so the setup was a little bit weird. And so guys, there's one more special thing over here for the SIM card, and yeah, it's a really good looking phone. Are you serious? When I open the cover, wait a minute, let me open it. Okay, so here is speakers and more, and here is for the SIM card, or here for the SIM card, and yeah, this is all over. How did you like this? If you like this, like, please like, don't dislike, and subscribe. So guys, have a great time. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.